Hello and welcome to the skies of Murrells Inlet. No, I have not learned how to fly yet, but for now, we're going to utilize a drone to get a over-the-top sky view of the Marshwalk at Murrells Inlet. So we're going to start from the south side and work our way north. First thing we're going to see to the right is the Crazy Sister Marina. Within the Crazy Sister Marina, you have Wicked Tuna Restaurant. So if you want to rent a boat, rent a kayak, you can do that from Crazy Sister Marina. They also have a gift shop, good stuff. As we progress forward, we pass over the fishing pier and get a good view of the Claw House, and to the right of the Claw House is Dead Dog Saloon. Both have views over the marsh, over the inlet, while you dine. These are two of the prime restaurants on the Marshwalk. So let us walk down the Marshwalk a little bit further past Creek Rats, there on the left. Keep on going. The restaurant in the nook right there is J. Peters, and next to that is Bubba's Love Shack. This large building we're about to be in front of is Drunken Jack's. And then Wahoo's in the distance with the teal roof, and Bovines is the restaurant at the very end of the Marshwalk. So now we are looking north, and as we kind of pull back, we're going to get a good look at Goat Island. If you're not familiar with Goat Island, open up that magic Google machine, type it in, you'll get the story. Basically, during the warm season here in Murrells Inlet, goats graze this island here. You can see the little shacks periodically throughout the island. They even have a water line that they've run across the inlet to the island to get the goats fresh water. That's a breathtaking view. That's outstanding. As we pan to the right, there it is again, Crazy Sister Marina with Wicked Tuna. That building closest to us, to the pier, is a bar, so you don't have to go into Wicked Tuna to get yourself a drink and enjoy the views. Let's zoom on in and get another look at the Marshwalk. Dead Dog on the right, Claw House on the right, Mojo straight in front of us, and a lot of chartered boats here. If you want to ride the pirate boat, you can grab it right there, right in front of Dead Dog, or right behind Dead Dog if you want to be technical. And here's some more charter boats, deep sea fishing, things like that. In the very top center, that is the Crazy Sister Marina office where you can charter these vessels. Looking westward right now, just getting an overview of the Marshwalk. So if you decide to rent a boat, rent a kayak, whatever, this is the water you will be traversing. Now this video is shot during low tide, so keep that in mind. This is probably the smallest footprint you're going to see for the waterways and the nooks and crannies of the inlet. So as we pan to the right, you get that effect of almost like a maze as you go through the grass. During high tide, obviously not so much grass because it is submerged. Again, here's another view of that channel, that horseshoe, if you will, or oxbow in the inlet where the channel wraps on itself. And here's a good perspective looking from the south end at the Marshwalk from over the top of the inlet. You can put your boat in right here at this public dock that is just a couple hundred feet south of Crazy Sister Marina. So if you want to bring your own vessel, you can put in right there. As you can see, this group right in front of us just did. all sorts of good wildlife and fishing in these nooks and crannies here in the inlet. So what do you guys and gals think of the view from the sky of Murrells Inlet? If you love the Marshwalk, if you enjoy the restaurants on it, comment down below. Let me know which one's your favorite so I can compare and contrast to my favorite. That'll help me out with future videos. Okay, everybody. Until next time, take it easy.